So Chitrangada has got one more brand in a kitty, and this will definitely help you keep up with the time. And
Yeah, time's going nowhere now.
so tell us about this.
Time.
Absolutely. So tell us about this brand association and what made you sign this brand specifically.
Casio, I think, is a name that we all have heard of, and especially I think I have since the time I was a kid. It was the watch to have. I remember Casio G-Shock was the coolest watch to have. So, yeah, it goes way back to my childhood when I had saved up money to buy a G-Shock. क्योंकि हम लोग we were learning swimming at that time, and that was the only one that was water resistant. So it was a big show off. You know, you can actually jump into the pool with a watch. So it was like a big deal at that time. So yeah, I remember saving up money and buying it, and now being offered to be the brand ambassador for the same brand. I think, like I just said, it's just come a full circle for me. It's a very big. It's, how do I say, it's a compliment, yeah. I think to be associated with a brand which has so much credibility and to be here for them, I'm very happy.
Absolutely. And of course, you have your own personal, anecdote to share about this brand. But then, apart from that, is there anything else? What are the criteria when you pick up a brand, and when the brand, of course, comes to you with an offer? So, what's the criteria that you actually sign the brand?
I think it's very basic. It's just that, of course, what they are selling is really important. What is the credibility of that company, of that brand? And of course, you use your own sense about how good it is or not.
टाइम की बात करें तो आप कितना मुश्किल होता है क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू पैक योर शेड्यूल इन दीज 24 आवर्स तो चित्रांगदा कितनी अच्छी है या परफेक्ट है टू पैक द शेड्यूल इन दिस लिमिटेड टाइम
What I'm very good at is to do lists. मेरा पहला टू डू लिस्ट बनता है फिर उसके बाद there's another one, then there's another one, and so there are always lists after lists because I never keep up with the first one, but yeah, do my best.
And do you get frustrated when people don't reach on time? Are you one of those that you're perfectionist, that you have to be punctual on time everywhere? Actually, celebrities are a little infamous of not reaching on time, but still.
थोड़ा बहुत तो you adjust, of course. Everybody adjusts. ऐसा नहीं है कि अरे मतलब अभी 12 बज गए तो. But yeah, I prefer things to be on time, and I think I would want me to be on time as well. I like myself. I'm happier when I'm punctual, definitely.
Absolutely. And कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आप सेट पे हैं and कोई कोस्टा या because the first the shoot has got delayed, happens all the time?
Happens. It's quite frustrating. Especially because आप जब वैन में बैठे होते हो, I mean after your makeup is done, उसके बाद फिर आप बोलते हो अच्छा थोड़ा ये कर लेते हैं, अच्छा नहीं ये थोड़ा सा बाल ठीक कर लो, and then after that like अभी भी you just keep waiting. So after some time it just gets boring. Then you have problems with your hair, then you have because you have nothing to do. So it just gets a little frustrating, but it's okay. Yeah.
Talking about your films, when do we see you next? We've also read in the papers that Sudhir Mishra is going to cast you as his Paro. So is it happening? What's next?
I think there is that project that is being put together. I haven't really had any kind of formal conversation on that. So I guess he is putting it together. I do know the script. I think it's fantastic. All of Sudhir's scripts are always great. So yeah, I think that, and there'll be 2 more that you should be seeing me in this year.
Thank you so much.